So hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today मैं आज एक ऐसी वीडियो लेके आया हूँ गाइस आप लोगों के लिए जिससे आप लोगों के पीसी की परफॉर्मेंस will increase by 10 times or 20 times, and if you're a gamer or any programmer, then you can see the difference in your performance if you follow all these steps. So let's get started how to make your PC super fast. So firstly we have to select Windows plus R key, then we have to type temp, press enter, Control A, delete, then again Windows plus R, then this time %temp percentage, and hit enter and delete R. और यहाँ पे सारी फाइल्स गाइस डिलीट नहीं होंगी, तो स्किप करके कुछ फाइल्स रह जाती हैं बट दे आर नॉट ऑफ यूज़, सो nothing to worry about that. Then third thing, it's prefetch, and guys, this prefetch, it consumes a lot of RAM and performance of your PC. So I must guide you guys to clear these three things when you start up your PC every time. And we are done with this. And second trick, you have to download this guys CCleaner. So skip to health checkup and close, and this will increase and delete all the thumbnails or any history and cookies and download, as you can see, which are not in use, but इन सब से हमारे पीसी की परफॉर्मेंस पे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. देन इसको रन क्लीन, अगर आपका, मैं तो गाइस डेली इनको रन करता हूँ, सो मेरा इसमें बहुत जल्दी फास्ट हो चुका है. एंड इफ़ यू आप यूज़ नहीं करते देन आपका कुछ टाइम ले सकता है ये. देन एप्लीकेशंस पे जाइए एंड अगेन रन क्लीनर, इट्स डन. एंड गाइस थर्ड थिंग, कंट्रोल प्लस ऑल्ट plus delete, the task manager will arrive. And during this task manager, जो हमारी विंडोज़ के स्टार्टअप होने पे कुछ फाइल्स एंड ये जो हैं ये ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्टअप हो जाती है, जिससे हमारी परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता है. तो हमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जिनकी यूजेज नहीं है उन्हें डिसेबल कर देना चाहिए, लाइक दिस CCleaner, बिकॉज इसका हमें खुद यूज़ करना पड़ता है. एंड डिमॉन टूल्स और गूगल क्रोम गाइस कंज्यूम्स अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरी, सो इट्स बेटर टू डिसेबल इट. एंड IDM, disable it. Microsoft OneDrive, you have to disable it. And Skype, Steam, or any other which are not in the use, you have to disable that and close this. Third thing, if you have a control panel, then go to it and go to the first option and use my preference. If you want the quality, and if you have a high-end graphic card and high-end PC, then you can select the quality. But if you want the best performance, you can select the performance and press apply. And in manage 3D settings, guys, this image sharpening should be off, ambient occlusion off, read all this, anti-scopic filter. This should be 16x or application controlled. So application control will be the best. Anti-aliasing mode should be always off, guys. Anti-aliasing, FXAA, these anti-aliasing से आपके PC and gaming performance में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता है, guys. So I must tell you to disable it. And now comes this shadow catch. Above this power management mode, I already selected prefer maximum performance and shader catch. It's on. Texture filtering, you should turn it on or off. If you have a high-end GPU, then you can turn it on. बट इससे गाइस इतना कुछ इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता नहीं है, बट हमारे ग्राफिक्स जो हैं वो अच्छे हो जाते। द मेन जो है टेक्सचर फिल्टरिंग क्वालिटी, इसको आप हाई परफॉर्मेंस पे रखना पड़ेगा इफ़ यू वांट द मैक्सिमम यूज़ एंड बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस बाय योर CPU and best gaming performance. And ये कुछ VSync should always be off, and G-Sync triple buffering should be off. Texture filtering should be on. Then guys, apply all these settings. Third thing, if you wanna increase performance of a particular game, like I select here GTA 5. Okay guys, then global settings में इसकी जो मैंने आपको previous settings बताई, you can apply all those settings. Those are the best settings. GTA 5 and anti-scopic filtering. Use global settings or application control. Application control is the best method. I should recommend you this, so go with that. In power management mode, guys, I've already selected prefer maximum performance, and you can add more games if you want. Texture filtering, guys, अगर आपका हाई एंड GPU है, I again I'm telling you, you can turn it on. If you have a GPU higher than 1070 Ti or 1080, then you should turn it on. It doesn't matter. And it does matter if you are playing in a 2K or 4K, then the performance will decrease, so you should turn it to use global setting. So texture filtering allowed, texture filtering quality, high performance, always. Triple buffering, VSync should always be off, guys. Then apply these settings. Now come to this. Don't select auto recommended, guys. This should be if you are using NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, then you should select that GPU. Resolution, you can set it as per your requirement. जैसे भी आपको यूसेज लगती है, आपका फुल HD 2K, और if you have a higher refresh rate, then you can adjust by yourself. I told you before, if you have a high-end GPU, it doesn't matter. But if you're playing in 2K or 4K, then you need to consider some points and stick to it. There are many points, guys, I have to tell you, but I can't tell you in this single video. I will make another video, one or two or three videos. There are many steps to increase the performance of the PC, and I'm giving you guarantee, guys. You can, and you will definitely see much difference in your gaming and performance if you follow all these steps. And if you want the another video, then don't forget to comment में आप बताइए, then I will bring another video. तो हमारा कंट्रोल पैनल तो ओके हो चुका है, and now go to the C drive, tools. We need to check this. You have to check this, guys, every 2 to 3 days maximum. So let it complete. So guys, we are done with the C drive, and we need to optimize this. To optimize तो guys करना ही पड़ता है. इस after optimizing, this is my SSD, so it doesn't take much time, guys. So most important thing you need to do is disk cleanup. Guys, and say this carefully, or else if you I have not saved my downloaded data in my C drive, where my Windows and boot system is in my C drive, so I have saved it in my hard disk. So these are temporary files and window error reports, feedback, this directed shared cache, and delivery optimization files. You should not select this. Thumbnails, temporary files. Click OK and delete all this. This will take time, and again we have to do this cleanup. See, guys, there are more Windows update cleanup, because our window update has already been done, and these are the update setups, and the files which are not required, इनकी हमें कोई need नहीं है, so you can delete this. And again, guys, don't delete all the files. डाउनलोडेड प्रोग्राम फाइल्स अगर आपकी हैं डी ड्राइव, सी ड्राइव में, अगेन गाइस, डोंट टेक दिस, untick this and click OK and delete again. We are done with the C drive, and guys, this is the lengthy process. First we need to check our hard disk. So guys, हमारा डिस्क क्लीनअप एंड चेक तो हो चुका है कंप्लीट, एंड you have to be patient for this. It will take time, guys, but once you do it, you don't have to do it regularly. Once in a week or twice in a week, you have to optimize your hard disk, and I have already optimized, so again I'm doing this for you guys. This will take much time, but not in my case. I have already optimized. So you have to be patient, guys. Don't need to stop this. If you have optimized your drive in which you are using some applications or have installed games and other stuffs in your hard disk drive, then you should optimize this, and after this you see the performance, and इसके बाद कमेंट करना guys. Guys, it's a lengthy process. I can't explain you everything in the one video, so if you want another video, let me know in the comment. So I'm skipping this part. So guys, हमारी हार्ड ड्राइव तो हो चुकी है ऑप्टिमाइज्ड. Now close this, and one more thing to do. You have to open run by selecting Windows plus R, and you have to type msconfig. See this, guys, you have to select the boot option, advanced, and here it is. By default, the number of cores, these are the number of cores which your CPU exists, and by default it is 1, and you have to select the maximum, so your PC will use the performance of all the cores, and click OK. If you don't want selective startup, you can start up load all rise. Selective startup is the best, guys, so I recommend you this. If you follow all those steps, and जो टास्क मैनेजर में आपने सब कुछ डिसेबल कर दिया था स्टार्टअप में, so selective startup, take this. We are done with this. No, and no need to interfere with this. I will explain you in other video. So we are done with this. Apply. Okay. And after this, guys, you need to reboot your PC. So guys, यहाँ तक हमारा फर्स्ट वीडियो. मोस्टली इम्पोर्टेंट जो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी थी वो आपको बता चुका हूँ मैं, and in the next video I will explain more deeply. There are many things to done. If you want to increase your performance of PC, then you need to follow all these steps. सारे steps guys follow करने पड़ेंगे, कुछ भी skip मत करना. and keep watching my videos, and thank you guys for your support. If you want more type of these videos and gaming related videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, stay safe, be happy, and keep smiling, guys. No matter what happens in your life, always keep smiling. So see you next time. Till then, take care and bye bye, guys.